Hello, veterans and families. A happy new year 2024. This is video number 83 on mobile app of ECHS, brought to you by Helping Hands for ECHS. This is the fourth video in the series on mobile app. This video will cover three useful features which is available to all of us from mobile itself. First, a notification message from your parent polyclinic can be read by all of us. Next one is change the login pin without OTP. We covered this in the previous video how to change the login pin. Login pin is used to log into your mobile app with OTP. That is, before login, you can change the login pin. But if you are able to remember the login pin and log into this particular mobile app, then also you can change the login pin because you want to change for some reason. So this is another feature which is available. And the third one is smart card history. Let's see this one by one. So first is login to eClinic. That is, eClinic is one of the features which we already saw in the previous video, video number 82, and see the notification message. Let's see this. A notification message is released by your parent polyclinic, where your mobile number is obviously registered and shows that your parent polyclinic is a particular polyclinic in India or Nepal. Okay. So from that parent polyclinic, the mobile messages will be seen in your mobile app. When you launch the app, you will see it. Just to to make the issue clear, this mobile app notification message from the parent polyclinic will be flashed in all mobile phones that are registered, and registered is you have to register that mobile phone in the app to start, and correspondingly associated with 64 KB card. Let me give you an example in case you have not understood this. Supposing, let's take your primary has got a card, spouse has got a card. Obviously, both these card numbers are registered with one single mobile number. When you registered for application, submission for 64 KB card or subsequently changed it, they all have only one number, which is registered to the ECHS card site. Now, both these mobile phones, they are independent mobile phones having independent cards with one registered mobile, which you have done as a registration in the first one, new user registration. So both the mobile will get this notification message if both are in the same polyclinic. Let's see the steps. Okay. Let's go back. You have registered as a new user. Obviously, you have a icon here in your home screen in your mobile. Always to launch ECHS mobile app, click on this icon. Moment you click on it, first is this home screen. We discussed this in great detail in video number 82. This is the first screen. At this point in time, there we have already seen without logging into eClinic, we have already discussed on card status, ECHS contact, claim status, hospital details. No login was required. These features do not require login, but some features will require login. So click on login to eClinic. This window will open. This is called as a login screen. Enter the 12-digit card number. Enter the PIN, 4-digit PIN, where we set up during this process, and enter this captcha exactly as it is in capital letters, numbers, etc. and click on log into eClinic. Moment you click on this home screen, you will always have this screen displayed. Now, this is after login, these are the features which are available, facilities which are available. This screen is called as a dashboard. Okay. So the first feature in the dashboard screen which this video will address is notifications. If you click on this notification, you will have a screen which will be displayed. The most recent message from your parent polyclinic will be right on top. And this you can scroll it down. Supposing you want to see what was, let us say, the December 2023 message, in case parent polyclinic have sent anything, if you scroll down, you will see all the messages. Most recent message is right on top. Very useful, and this is initiated by the parent polyclinic, either the officer in charge or the staff who is looking after the this particular job, or as I call it, IT part of the polyclinic. Typically, like here, one of the polyclinic in Bangalore, the officer in charge has put a message to say schedule of monthly veterans meeting to be held at the polyclinic. You know that every month the officer in charge of the polyclinic conducts a meeting at the polyclinic. All veterans beneficiaries who are attached to that polyclinic can attend, discuss their difficulties and points, so that officer in charge is able to provide solutions to the feasible extent. So that is given in this particular thing. Month of January, 20th January at 1200 hours. Month of February, month of March. All 3 months, this polyclinic OAC has already decided and given an advance notice. Similarly, this polyclinic has said so and so date will be a closed holiday. Okay, on 25th December, on the occasion of Christmas, etc., etc. Monthly stock taking, very important message OSCs can provide, so that people don't go during the stock taking in the mornings. Okay, polyclinic is never closed. However, for certain amount of time till the stock taking is done, the polyclinic is closed for non-emergency OPD only. Emergency OPD, nothing is closed. Okay, so like here it is on 30th December 2020, etc. Very useful. Okay, and for which you have to log in and keep and be logged in and click on notification at least once a day, and you will be able to see what is the important messages or notification as we call it, which is sent from parent polyclinic. Again, to reiterate, this is only from the parent polyclinic and will be available in the mobile numbers which are registered to this polyclinic as parent polyclinic. It could be your mobile or it could be a spouse mobile, because both may be registered. I mean, both have the same parent polyclinic. Okay, with that mobile number. I hope it's clear. These three screens are always going to be permanent. Whenever you click on this icon, this home screen, click on login, enter the details, and you get into the dashboard. After that, all these features we will see one by one. Let's see the next feature. We discussed that you can change the login pin, which is called as a reset pin. If you remember, video number 82 discussed this in great detail. But there you are getting a OTP before you changed it because you didn't log in. Because you didn't have the pin to log in. Here, you logged into eClinic by doing this and come here. Okay. So there is a feature here called as, can you see it here? Change pin. This pin is nothing but the 4-digit login pin, which is what you entered here to come to the screen. So simply come and click on this. You will have a screen, the change pin screen as we call it. Enter your old 4-digit pin, enter the new 4-digit pin, and confirm it. Whatever 4-digit pin, it can be any number. Okay, and simply click on change pin. Very simple. Moment you change pin, you will get a message here. that you have successfully changed your PIN. Password is not applicable. Log in again with new 4-digit PIN. Click OK. Okay. So now next time when you come and log in to this ECHS mobile app, when you click on this, ensure, remember that you have already changed the PIN here. That PIN you must enter, captcha, and you will land up in this dashboard screen. After that, you can see all these features can be used by you. It's quite simple. These three steps are common. This is one step and a message. Let's see the third feature. Click on the icon, home screen, click login to eClinic, enter all the details, you are taken to the dashboard. In this dashboard, we are seeing the third feature. We have already seen notification, we have seen change pin in this video. Okay, and now you are going to see smart card history, this feature. Click on this, you will have entire details here. What this basically says is when you visit a particular your polyclinic, not necessarily your parent polyclinic, whenever you have visited a polyclinic in India or Nepal, you will have a token number from which is received from the kiosk, the date and the time. Okay, when you got this token, automatically system captures this, and then it gives you which polyclinic for what. Okay, typically we go to the polyclinic for when you go to the kiosk, you are going for getting a doctor's appointment for OPD. So it is written here. So you scroll on it, entire history from the, there is no end date. The start date could be infinite till to date. Okay, supposing you're gone in 2022, you will have this information. Okay. Now the system, whatever it has captured in the system, that will be displayed here. You scroll it, you can see all the information here. Useful just to know, for you to know when did you go last to the polyclinic for OPD. Okay. You cannot interact with the screen. It is a screen, just gives the information like a notification screen from parent polyclinic. This is also a smart card history as like a notification or a message which is available. In all these, when you are in this dashboard, when you click on this, you will be in another screen. If you want to go back to the home screen, okay, as I have already discussed this, click on this, you will go back to this. This is the home screen after login. This is home screen before login. When you click on this two back arrows, two caret arrows, you will go back to this screen. So supposing let's say you come from smart card history, you come here, click on this, you come here. Now you can go and change pin or you can see notification or any one of these. Okay, we will discuss all the rest, but now in this video number 83, we have discussed notification, smart card history, and change PIN without ODP. Three features we have already discussed. After login to the eClinic. The dashboard is only after you log in. Helping Hands for ECHS. I'm Commander Santanam. It's a volunteer effort for veterans and families to empower you with information on ECHS. There are two major facilities I have provided: my web portal and my YouTube channel, where this particular video is also available. In fact, this video I've linked it even in web portal. There are a lot of information within this web portal. Please visit once a day. Great benefit. If you if you can't find answers in this, 100% answers will be there. If you can't find it, send me a message. I'll try to clarify. And if there is not there, I will also include this. Such important feedback is appreciated always. If there is an emergency, do not hesitate to call me. I will try my best to help every veteran and family. The videos in my channel name is Helping Hands for ECHS, as I just mentioned, is created by me to help and empower ECHS beneficiaries. Bring confidence in all of you. What are the services? How you can get the best. Once you know what is the services, how to get it, then you will automatically get it. My kind request, please do not copy or reproduce this contents without my permission. Lot of effort is going into this to develop such videos. However, do not hesitate to share these videos or the links to every veteran and family so that they also benefit. They may not know about it. I sincerely appreciate your support. As I mentioned in video 82, special thanks to bringing this mobile app videos to life. The fourth in the series to MD CHS, Director SNA, and Director Regional Center, Delhi 2. My next video is under production. Very useful video. Every feature here is useful, but this is something which is quite interesting for you. Upcoming video number is 84. From your mobile, anytime, anywhere, after you log into eClinic, you can book an OPD appointment at any polyclinic in India. This is the important feature. It is not necessarily only with your parent polyclinic. You can select the polyclinic depending on the place where you are. You're gone on a 10 days somewhere from your parent polyclinic city to another city. There you want to go to your polyclinic. As you would have seen in other videos, you can get OPD appointment in any polyclinic in India with your 64 kb card. I'll be addressing this and explaining how to do this, use this feature using a mobile app. Jai Hind.